Namaskar. Today we will be talking about vitiligo, white spots or safed daag, whatever you call it. This vitiligo is something, leukoderma it is also known as, where your skin gets discolored, white spot, and slowly it can keep spreading. It is not contagious, it is not having any other effect, but absolutely it will deplete the confidence of the person who gets it. Especially slow, it always generally begins from the legs and then it spreads on the trunk and the hands and then on the face. Sometimes it comes on the face also in the children. But it basically begins always from the extremity and then spreads inside. And it definitely depletes the confidence. Here is a real story of Shrutika. We have treated hundreds and thousands of people successfully. And this is the case, we keep the case studies of them, all of them. This case study was from Shrutika, treated by Ayush Shakti Dr. Avdesh in Mumbai. And she was 39 years of age. She got it for a year and suddenly it started spreading actually and becoming bigger and bigger. She was very concerned, tried many different things, but it was not really controlling. So came through a reference to our clinic. And Dr. Avdesh treated her with the herbs, diet, removing toxins because this is the pitta imbalance. So removing the pitta and detox program, diet, herbal formula, all three combined together, and in 6 months, she had around 70% relief. You can see this in the picture here in her white spots. So what are the signs and symptoms? There are no pre-signs and symptoms. Suddenly one day you get a small spot. Sometimes it is light, sometimes very bright white. And then it starts expanding, or it can spread in other places and then it will just slowly spread if you don't take care of the internal heat which is responsible for that. According to Ayurveda, this was described in the chapter of Shvitra. The causes, internal causes of white spot or leukoderma, vitiligo, are connected with what we call as Brajak Pitta, excessive heat in the body. When you have too much heat inside your body, this imbalance of Brajak Pitta is actually deciding the color of your skin. It is regulating the pigmentation in our body. And when there is too much excessive heat, this Brajak Pitta under the skin, our body mistakes this as a virus or bacteria and suddenly immune system attacks it and destroys the pigmentation completely. This is the autoimmune disease related with excessive heat in the body. Ayush Shakti's approach is always to focus on removing the excessive heat through the detox programs, slowly repair and restore the immune system and the skin coloration, renew the skin coloration using specific herbal formula like Suvarna, Skin Tonic Suniram and Suvarna Cream for external application so that there is a long-lasting sustainable relief. Once the heat is balanced completely and the skin color is restored, which takes between 1 year to 2 years depending on how chronic it is. Then we will stop all the herbs and everything, and generally people stay good with their skin color if they don't start eating excessive heating food in their diet. So that was regarding vitiligo, dear friends. My purpose is to improve quality of life of you and your family and your friends. Share this video if you feel it will be useful to someone, and I'll see you again in the next video. Namaskar.